So we're heading to grab some lunch, and Toby and I were just having a conversation in regards to our internal media. What we're learning is, as a society as a whole, if you're not in our space, either in the creative space, social media space, or digital space, or even media, you really don't understand what digital marketing is besides what you see from ads and YouTube. We want to really educate our audience and our followers who watch our internal media what's, the why behind digital marketing. Why did you run ads on print? Or why did you do TV commercials? Why do you invest in word of mouth marketing and do referral programs? It's the same thing. Why wouldn't you do digital? I mean, how oftentimes do we take a look at our phones throughout dinner when we're with family? How oftentimes do we look at our phones at night? I mean, that's just part of what society is today. These phones and mobile devices have our attention, and that's why even Apple, they went there, with the iPads, and things are so accessible today with the internet, and that's where our audience is. Doesn't matter if you're a professional workplace, you're working on the computer, you're working on your laptop. Doesn't matter if you're like a 3-year-old son, he's looking at an iPad playing games. So you got all these different generations that's on some kind of digital device, and they are consuming content day in and day out. Digital marketing is about relationships and trading attention and being able to be at the right place at the right time, delivering the right message to the right people. It's almost like dating and meeting a girl. You want to put, your best foot forward. You want to meet the right person. Most people who are in relationships, they are hoping that it becomes long term. Yeah, some people like the one night stands and stuff. That's kind of like lead generation. But at the end of the day, we all want love. We want to build a relationship. We want that loyalty. And that's what organizations and businesses want. They want repeated customers that come back day in and day out. And if you do digital marketing right, that's exactly what it delivers. That's what it brings. It builds relationship with your audience and a very unique following. And that's why there's influencers out there, because people will follow them, And nowadays you can do that at a very low cost. And that's digital marketing in a nutshell. And that's what we're trying to do here at J29, with our internal content is, hey, how can we bring that value to you guys as well? And be able to talk some real truth in our industry.